Hey guys, in this video, we will solve a problem involving freefall by applying either of the four basic kinematic equations. Now we have our problem. An object is propelled from the ground into the air with a velocity of 50 meters per second. What will be its height from the ground after 2 seconds? Now the first thing we need to do is to list down all the given values. So we have our initial velocity, which is the starting velocity of the object, which is 50 meters per second. Now, we also have the time, which is 2 seconds, which is given. And we can also list down the acceleration, which is gravity, because the object is propelled into the air. So it means that it is in free fall, meaning the only force acting on it is gravity. So the gravitational acceleration on Earth will always be 9.8 meters per second squared. But since the object is thrown from the ground into the air upwards, it means that gravity is opposing the direction of the object. So it means that we have to put a negative value on the gravitational acceleration. Next, we need to find the formula which is very suitable for our problem. Now, we're looking for the height above the ground, so definitely we're looking for the variable d. Now, looking back into our four kinematic equations, we have these. In this equation, we have initial velocity, we have t, and we have g, meaning this formula would be the most suitable for our problem. So writing down, we have d is equal to initial velocity times time plus 1/2 gt squared. Substituting these values, we will be writing 50 times 2 plus 1/2 negative 9.8 2 squared. Simplifying, we have d is equal to 100 plus, getting our calculator, 0.5 times negative 9.8 times 2 squared. We have negative 19.6. Wait. Now next we add the two final values. D is equal to 100 plus negative 19.6. You have the value 80.4, which means that the object in the problem will be 80.4 meters above the ground after 2 seconds. You may have noticed that there's another formula for D. So we can actually use this at the problem, but first we need to find the value of VF, which stands for final velocity. Now to get VF, we have the formula VF is equal to initial velocity plus gravitational acceleration times time. Now, the value of VF here is actually the velocity of the object after t seconds. Now, substituting the original values, which is 50 plus negative 9.8 times 2. We multiply negative 9.8 and 2, we get negative 9.8 times 2. We get negative 19.6, and adding the two values, we have 50 plus negative 19.6, we have 30.4. meaning that the velocity of the object after 2 seconds will be 30.4 meters per second. Now we can use this formula by substituting the values. So it is equal to 30.4 plus 50 all over 2 times 2. Adding the two values above, that will be 80.4 over 2 times 2. 80.4 divided by 2 will be 40.2 times 2. And the final value will be 80.4. So there you have it, guys. The answer is 80.4 meters, which means the object will be 80.4 meters above the ground after 2 seconds.